Hello everybody. In this video we will learn how to delete your iMovie library. If you are a MacBook user and you're using iMovie for video editing purpose, then this video is perfect for you. If you are using iMovie and anytime you create any project on iMovie, it stays there. You try to delete a couple ways, but anytime you close your iMovie and open back again, that project will come back again, and over time your iMovie library getting heavier and heavier, then it takes so long to open and to process your videos. To make it easy open and easy process, you need to delete iMovie library, and all events stuff like that is unnecessary inside. So in this video we will learn how you can delete that one. If you can see, I have iMovie already, and I'm at my project page. I have my one project open already. At this point you will see at this my arrow pointing, you have iMovie library, all events and everything. So what you can do, first check, like say you click on iMovie library, click on the right click, and you can say reveal in Finder. Once you click in this one, it will open iMovie library folder and Finder. At the Finder we have iMovie library. You can see I have a 116.41 GB. It's taking that much space, which one I know needed. All the project I have already done, added and exported, and it's taking 115 GB space of my hard drive, which one is not necessary. So I don't need all the projects. What I will do, so for this one you can do either way. There's a lot of way to delete. You can go to iMovie library and you can command and delete. You can press from keyboard command and delete. It will delete whole iMovie library. Or you don't wanna delete whole, you can just select either one and then command and delete. It will ask you one option. If you wanna continue, you say yes. You're gonna continue it, delete it. You can delete each one by one, the one you know needed. So it will take out of your iMovie library and you will have some free space. Either way, or you can come over here and command and delete all library. Then you can also go to all events. You can do same thing, command delete, or you can select one at a time and command and delete. Command and delete. And the second thing, if you wanna delete this folder, you can click one and command A. It will select all the folders you have in all events. Then command delete will delete all. So up to you how you want to delete. You can delete, but I have to choose some of, so I'm not going to delete all, I'm going to delete some of. I will do like that. So once you delete and then you go to your Finder, you will see your space getting empty. So now I have a 115.53 GB. So I delete some of. That's the way you can delete your iMovie library stuff, and you can have some free space. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.